took them all away from me. Lord, when I was sick and down, you made that be and told them no, not now.